Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable biometric login on the ANZ Plus app using iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the app on phone and simply log in using a username and password. Once logged in, you will see your home screen. Now, from the home screen, simply tap on Profile at the top left corner of the screen. Then tap on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, tap on Security or Login Security. Now look for the option labeled Biometric Login, Face ID or Touch ID, depending on your iPhone model. Turn the switch on to enable biometric login. Your iPhone will now ask you to confirm your identity using Face ID, Touch ID, or your phone's passcode. This step helps protect your account. Once confirmed, biometric login is successfully enabled. From now on, whenever you open the ANZ Plus app, you can simply look at your phone or use your fingerprint to sign in. No need to enter your passcode every time. And that's it. We have successfully enabled biometric login on the ANZ Plus app using our iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.